Alright, so in this lesson we shall look at sequence. So we have this example from a past paper. They are telling us to say for the sequence -10, -7, -4, -1, going like that, find the 17th term. That is the first question. Second question, they are saying the sum of the first 20. Okay, so quickly, this is basically the thing that we're supposed to remember. So if we have been given 1, 2, 3, 4, and the numbers are going like that, we should, the first thing we're supposed to know is the general formula. So we are going to say this first term is A1, or rather you can say this is T1. Then the second term, you say it is A2. Sometimes other people use T2. So you can either use T or A. So we're going to say this one would be T3, this one would be T4. In the similar manner, you're going to say this is A3, then this is A4. So what you are supposed to remember always is that if you are having a sequence that has been given like that, basically a sequence will be given the way we have. So suppose they said 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, okay, like that. So this simply means here you said they've given you a sequence, but in this second scenario, this what you have here is what? This is a series. Okay, so that is a series. So now what is the difference? The difference is the denotation. Like here they've used comma, comma, and comma like that. Then in the series they've used plus, plus, plus. So is there a difference if they say, okay, find the common difference? So we know basically that for us to find the common difference, which is denoted by D, we just say, okay, T2 minus T1, or we can say D is equal to A2 minus A1. So now here we are saying there's no difference, just get this as your T1, your T2, so get that 2 minus that. So you're just going to say 2 minus 1, which will just give you 1. Okay, so we are being told to find the 17th term. So this comes from the formula of the nth term, where we say that Tn is equal to the first term plus n minus 1 multiplying the common difference. So here we are going to say, since we've been told to say we are calculating for the nth term, so we're going to say T17 is equal to, now where there is A1 here, we are putting the first number that we have been given, which is -10. Then we say plus, so where there is n there, we have put 17, so we're going to say 17 minus 1 multiplying D. So now what is our D? So our D, we say D, we just have to say T2 minus T1. So our D is going to be, you get this number 7, so we say -7 minus T1, which is -10. So we're going to say -10. So our D is going to be -7, negative, we get a positive 10. So our D is going to be -7 plus 10, that will just be positive 3. So after that we can replace it there and say our T17 is going to be -10 plus 17 minus 1, that will be 16, multiplying by 3. Okay, so remember this question is coming from paper 1, so we are not choosing a calculator, so we can do the arithmetic there. So we know it says 16 and 3, that will give us 24, so we can just say 4, then this and 3 multiplying a 1 there will give us 3, plus the 2 we get what, we get a 5. Okay, so basically that is what we are supposed to get. So we're going to say plus 54. So our T17 is negative 10 plus 54, which is just 44. So that was the answer for the first part. So now the answer for the second part, the formula we are going to use. Okay, so the formula we're going to use to find the sum of the first 20 element. This is an arithmetic progression. So we are saying the sum of the nth term is going to be n over 2 multiplying by 2n plus n minus 1 multiplying by d. Okay, so we are being taught to say this is just basically Sn is okay. Okay, we check the question. Alright, so that is what we have. So we're saying to calculate the sum of the nth term for an AP, actually here it is A, you are going to say n over 2, everything multiplied by 2a plus open bracket n minus 1 multiplying your d, which is the common difference. So we're going to say this, since they've said the first 20, so we're going to say 20 there. So here you're also going to put 20, so say 20 divided by 2, then you say 2, a is just your first term, in this case which is negative 10, so you say negative 10 there, plus your n is 20 minus 1, then the common difference, the same number that you calculated here, because you are still dealing with the same numbers, you're going to say 3, then your S10, or rather 20, is going to be 20 divided by 2, you get a 10, then 2 multiplied by negative 10, you get negative 20, then you say plus, this is 20 minus 1, which will give you 19. Okay, so you have 19 multiplying by 3, so we can do the math there. 19 by 3, so 3 times 9, that would be 27, we just write as 7, and then we carry a 2 with us, then 3 by that, we're going to get 57. So here we have the sum of the first 20 should equal 10 negative 20 plus 57, which is basically S20 equal to 10, then here you're just going to get 37. So 10 multiplying, okay, so 10 multiplying 37, we're just going to get 370 as the sum of the sum of the first 20 element. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe so that you don't miss any of the beautiful lessons that I'm going to be uploading to prepare you for the exams that you're about to write. Okay, thank you so much for visiting High Voltage Academy. Please watch out for the next video.